Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. A Google account and billing set up so resources can be provisioned. Once done, enable free trial credits if eligible. Next, install the Google Cloud SDK using your OS Package Manager or the official installer. This provides the G-Cloud CLI and core tools. Make sure to install associated components like auth and beta. Then run G-Cloud init to authenticate and set your default project so subsequent steps target the right workspace. Once authenticated, you obtain the actual kit. Use G-Cloud Components install to add Cloud SDK packages like Beta, Kubectl, or App Engine components that your workflow requires. Then run G-Cloud auth login to confirm credentials and G-Cloud config, set project ID to lock in your target. If you use an IDE, install Cloud Code or the official client libraries for your language. This connects local development to your cloud project and automates deployments and API access. To finish, deploy a simple test workload, create a VM or push a cloud run service to confirm the kit works end-to-end and that APIs, roles, and billing are correct. Verify logs and operations with G-Cloud logging read and check IAM roles if actions fail. Often a missing role prevents provisioning. If you hit auth issues, rerun G-Cloud init, revoke tokens, and G-Cloud auth login again. This refreshes credentials and resolves most connectivity or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.